Had a call today from a customer who was after some information about an MT01. Now those are a little bit old, so they don't have any communication with a cable connection. But what we do have on the software here is the ability to enter the codes, and we've got information for testing components that are generating fault codes. So just a little video showing how to do that. Here you see that we've chosen the MT01 Bike on the software. Being shown just a basic overview of the code display on the dash. Top of the screen we've got a little box so we can put the code in. Also some instructions about the CO adjustment on the Yamahas, which can be done through the dash. Useful information that's included in the software. So we can pop in a code, so we'll just put in 15 as an example. So that shows it's the intake manifold throttle potentiometer. So we can then just press OK. So now within the software there is information here to help you test those components. So one place we can go to is the wiring diagrams. Click into there and we can scroll down the list to the component that we need to look for. There we go, intake manifold throttle potentiometer with part number S9. So if we click on that little icon there, that shows us where that component is on the wiring diagram. Pops up a little window underneath. Then we can click on the image. Shows us that looks like. It's just a generic picture, and we can click on the card and more information, and that gives us more information about that sensor, how it works, generic information, testing procedures, example scope traces if you have an oscilloscope. We have the twin probe that we can link up with the software to use, and then on the wiring diagrams we've got interactive wiring. So you can see there, that's the earth, that's the power, and that's the activation system. So you can see where that all links up to everything else. So we also have technical information, and within there may well be some information useful to you. We've also got the nominal values on one of the Japanese bikes, connection, dash code stuff. So we can click on that, and it's got lots of different tests for lots of different sensors. And so we've gone straight ahead and clicked on the one that's relevant to this little video. Just have a quick scroll through and see the information. Troubleshooting procedure. Lots more to the software than just plugging in and diagnosing and turning off service lights. A lot of educational stuff. Information that's going to help you on a daily basis. End of that little quick video for you. Thanks for watching.